Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Ketoleno. Nagaland Chief Electoral Officer has issued order with regard to the conduct of the upcoming by-elections in 14 Southern Angami 1 and 60 Pungro Kifire Assembly constituencies. The order said, whoever commits an offence of booth capturing shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 1 year, but which may extend to 3 years and with fine. It said, open declaration of support in favour of a particular candidate or political party by a village, ward, khel, community through public announcement and even through publication in electronic or print media, etc., violates the above provisions. The CEO said appropriate legal action shall be initiated against any village or ward or community or group of people or media house if found violating the order. Centre has extended the deadline for filing GST annual return for the financial year 2018-19 by a month till 31st October. Finance Ministry has requested all taxpayers to avail the benefit of the extended due date and file their annual return at the earliest to avoid last-minute rush. Furnishing of the annual return is mandatory only for taxpayers with aggregate annual turnover above 2 crore rupees, while reconciliation statement is to be furnished only by the registered persons with aggregate turnover above 5 crore rupees. The ministry said taxpayers are required to report in the annual GST return of 2018-19 only the values of transactions pertaining to that financial year. It also said that no adverse view will be taken in cases where there are variations in returns for taxpayers who have already filed their GSTR 9 of 2018-19 by including the details of supplies and input tax credit pertaining to 2017-18 in the annual return for 2018-19. Dimapur Nagar Students' Union DNSU has urged the state government and all stakeholders to thoroughly study the Nagaland Liquor Total Prohibition Act 1989 as it has failed to be implemented in spirit. DNSU Media Cell in a statement said that despite prohibition, the illegal flow and sale of liquor has affected many, including the younger generation and the student community. The union said that it is high time the state government brings some strict regulations in legalizing the sale of liquor or to amend the NLTP Act of 1989. Further, it warned all the illegal liquor sellers in the city that it will not compromise with the illegal activities being carried out and urged the concerned authority to work with more diligence and seriousness. Nagaland State Mental Health Program, along with the rest of the world, is commemorating World Mental Health Day today. Every year, 10th October is observed with the sole objective of raising awareness on mental health issues and mobilizing effort in support of mental health. With the current COVID-19 pandemic creating a global impact, the World Federation for Mental Health this year decided to commemorate the day under the theme Mental Health for All, Greater Investment, Greater Access. Dimapur Deputy Commissioner Rajesh Sundararajan yesterday ordered temporary sealing of Hotel Shiloi Lake near Vishal Marg and Dr. Muri Clinic and Diagnostic Center Khairmahal Point, Dimapur for 48 hours till further order. Sundararajan in an order said the areas have been sealed to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The DC said legal action will be taken against any person violating these containment measures. A farewell program in honor of outgoing Kohima Deputy Commissioner Gregory Thejawilye, ESC I Changsang and SDO Civil Jakama Alemyapang Longchar was held at the DC's conference hall yesterday. The outgoing Deputy Commissioner in his speech thanked the state government for giving him the opportunity to serve the people of Kohima district. He appreciated the efforts and contributions rendered by his officers and line departments in the fight against COVID pandemic. He also encouraged them to continue with the teamwork in future. Gregory will be joining his new assignment as Additional Secretary Power posted at Nagaland Civil Secretariat. Alemyapang Longchar and I Changsang also spoke on the occasion. And as the nation fights the COVID-19 pandemic, let's stay safe by following 3 simple steps: wear face masks, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, and focus on hand hygiene. With that, we come to the end of morning news. Have a nice day.